Firstly, which one's better? This one, or this one? I personally prefer this one, but this is what the video is all about. This is the best places to get printed products for your business. If you are starting a business, congratulations. It is one of the best things that you can do, and I salute you. I love entrepreneurs. I love following the journey. I love the coming up story. I love the failures. I love everything about it. And one thing that most people need in business is different printed materials. Now, where can you get these? I'm going to break down the list of 4 different businesses that I've used personally and that I would recommend, and what I use them for, why I would recommend them, and yeah, hopefully help save you time by recommending really high quality pieces. Firstly on the list is Printful. Now this is where I got all of these garms. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this is where I got all of the printed material for at Live, and now Beloit. I've got some different clothing and stuff. These are my 2 businesses, and yeah, perfect. I love the different styles that you can do. They've got loads of different products, loads of different styles, loads of different printing methods. It's primarily clothing, but they do some sort of accessories, but I would say they are a game for their clothing. I've only started using them in 2020, and I've only used them for my businesses, but yeah, they're perfect, and I would highly recommend it. Especially if you're thinking of starting like a t-shirt printing business or a clothing business, maybe start with this and then look at getting your own clothing line and making your own clothes down the line. But like initially just start with getting Printful to fulfill your orders, and simple, easy process, highly recommend. Number 2 on the list is Instant Print. Now, I've used Instant Print for a very, very long time. I originally got my business cards that, fun fact, I made a huge mistake in the sense that I didn't put my phone number on it. So the one thing that people would want is a business card. But it did make a really good story when I was trying to give them out. It was like, oh, by the way, did you know I got 2,000 of these made without a number on them? They are into paper materials, so like leaflets, business cards, brochures, things like that. Perfect for. I've also used them for many of my businesses, so Beloit, I've used them, at Live I've used them, and then also for my clients I've used them. I've got brochures made, leaflets, everything like that, especially through coronavirus with my clients and designing posters and things like that. Perfect, easy, fairly cheap, and yeah, can sort anything out if you've got a problem, just like that. So yeah, highly, highly recommend. Go and check them out, link below. Number 3 is Hello Print, and these are a company based in the Netherlands. I have used them, not a lot, but I've used them for certain products and they've been really, really good. I remember we ordered a roller banner. The price was really good, but the printing kept having a mistake on it, and it was twice it had a mistake, but they refunded it and then gave us a new one almost instantly, which yeah, any entrepreneur who understands customer service understands that this is good customer service, and yeah, highly recommend. Go and check them out. Again, link below. And then finally, 4th, I didn't write 4 on the list, but I'm going to give you an extra one because I'm extra nice. And number 4 is Handy Labels. I only just started recently using these. These are a company based in, I think, Bristol in the UK, and they create labels for products, labels for, yeah, sticky labels that go onto things. So I use these for Beloit, the labels that go around the candles, and then we also use them for the labels that go on the boxes. Yeah, perfect service. I had an issue with the product in the sense that we had 8 designs and only 7 of them arrived, but with a quick email, yeah, quick resolution, they sent out a new pack. Super duper happy, and yeah, they look really good, they work really well, the labels are really nice, and they just stick really nicely. They have a really nice feel to them. Highly, highly recommend. Go and check them out. Again, links below. Now, when it comes to getting stuff printed for your business, try to do it in bulk because it will save you the cost on the postage, and they probably will do a in bulk item initiative. So if you can buy more items, the cheaper it will be for you. So maybe try and like bulk it all together. If you know you have a certain design or certain marketing coming up, trying to do it all at once. That was my tip that I would give for you. I hope that you found this video useful. I hope you go and check them out, and I hope that it stops your search because I know it can be hard looking all over the internet, and I know it can be a little bit stressful, but I hope this video helps you and I hope you find it useful. I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you could go and check out this video about Gymshark and how I think every business needs to have a creative space like Gymshark. Not necessarily on a level, but have an area that they can make ideas go from ideas to execution almost instantly. Check it out up here. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.